we're going to remove the 8 push clips that go along this front plastic panel here. Just lift up on it a little bit. You can use your little fork tool if you have one. Pull up on the center and then lift up the outer portion. Okay, so let's get this hood cable off of here. It just slides off of the clips, just like that. Push down on this. It's got a little hooky do there. If you come down along here, there's going to be another piece of plastic that's the exact same way. To find that plastic, you just find the little plastic, the clear ear on the headlight itself. And then just below that is where you'll find the plastic ear that you need to grab with your screwdriver. That's what it looks like right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I just came down through, I went in between the headlight and this, and I pried it, and it popped it free. We're going to work our way over here, do the same thing. Lift this up over the stop. There we go. Let's find the clip for this ear. There we go. Pull this off of here. Just want to pay attention for these little flippy-do ears here. They just sit down underneath there. We'll set this aside. We're going to use a Torx Bit 25, T25. Got one here. One up here. Oops. The other one should be right down here in the corner. All right, now we're going to carefully pull this away. We still have an electrical connector back here, so we need to pay special attention to that. So there's a little red tab here. That's the lock. You just need to pry up on that, just like that. It shouldn't go up too much further than that. Squeeze this little thumb tab, give it a wiggle. That comes off. Take a peek. Grab your headlamp assembly. So let's grab our electrical connector, connect that in, and then of course make sure we press in that red locking tab. Line up the headlight here. Start in these bolts. Okay, so all of them are started. Let's tighten them up. Nice and tight. Okay, so let's get our grill back on. Bring it over. Grab your little hood cable. Just kind of carefully line everything up. Should want to all slide together fairly easily. Just over that. Okay. Need to make sure you get those lower hooks on. Press in along the side. This side locked in. Okay. Grab our little push clips. Get them all back in there. So let's get our cable back in. Slide it under there. Lock it in there. Okay, so now you just want to align your headlight beams, which if you look straight down through there, you can see where the alignment is.